Welcome to 6309 Juneau Road, Unit D-54. This is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath, upstairs condo or second story condo in the Courtyards condo community in the St. Andrews area of Northwest Columbia, convenient to I-26, Harbison, as well as downtown Columbia. So we're out at the entry and where the front balcony of the unit is. So it's a front facing unit off the parking lot, and off the building you see that you have a nice sized balcony here overlooking the lot, and you also have an attached exterior storage room out here as well. You have some pegboard there and a few shelves in the back. Out here in the lot itself, you can see there is a marked space, at least one marked space for unit 54D, or excuse me, D-54. And then you can see the entry to the unit here. So go ahead and take a look inside. So inside has been updated with luxury vinyl plank flooring in the main living area, as you can see off the entry. So you have vaulted ceilings in here. It's a ceiling fan. You have a nice wood-burning fireplace with a stone hearth mantel. And then you can see a large picture window looking out towards the front, and then another window out, sort of looking out over the deck space off the front entry. And the living room is open to the dining area, as you can see as well. And then you can also access the kitchen from here. It's a nice sized dining area, sort of a nostalgic kind of mid-century-esque light fixture in there. Kitchen, nice and efficient. You have an electric stove, dishwasher, and refrigerator on this side. Also, you have a laundry area at the back with what I'm assuming is included washer and dryer. Do confirm with the leasing office to make sure those will still be available at the time that you do lease the property. And then on this side, you have a couple of just small kind of storage cabinets off of the space here. I believe this is some storage. Let's check inside. Actually, it's just HVAC. So on this side is where you have the primary bedroom. So you have a private balcony in here as well. You can see sort of beyond the window there. No access to downstairs off that balcony, which is nice for privacy, but you have the outdoor space so you can sort of see out there. Accessible via that large sliding door, which doubles as the window for this room. You have a ceiling fan in here as well. Nice window on this side also. You have a walk-in closet with some built-ins there, and then a full bathroom. And I believe I may have said in the intro of the video this was a 1.5 bath. Do stand corrected, it is a 2 full bath unit. So you can see single sink, tile flooring, and very interesting sunken tub. You don't see those much anymore, but a nice deep tub in this bathroom, and a shower as well. Tile surround, and then your commodes there in the corner. And did fail to mention this is the pass through to the kitchen from the dining room. You have a linen closet here, or just a small closet off of the kitchen space. So that could be used for either just additional kitchen storage or otherwise. Second bedroom off of the small hallway there. You have a standard size closet, and the sliding door off of this room sort of lets you right out to where the entry of the unit is, but also does give you exterior access to that front deck space, which is nice. So nice exterior access on both the bedrooms, and the sliding doors give you nice large windows as well. And then last but not least, you have a full bathroom in the second bedroom also. Call the other one the primary because it is the larger of the two, and it does have that larger tub, but you can see a tub and shower in here, as well as a single sink. And you do have the luxury vinyl planks plank flooring continuing into the bathrooms as well. So that completes our tour of this home at 6309 Juneau Road, Unit D-54 in Northwest Columbia. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.